Hey, welcome back to Rogue Wonders. This is not a video that I anticipated making. I went to the Stanley Hotel and I thought I would make some fun videos about it, but way more happened in our footage than I realized. And as you can see in this footage here, there's this dancing orb that comes along with us as we're walking up, and it moves around. It does all kinds of things in the video, and I just could not explain it. And I have created a video talking about what the kinds of things it does and how it behaves and what I thought it might have been, and researched and then found that none of the things that I thought it might be matched. So in this video, I will be talking about the weird things that it does. I'm going to show it with a black and white filter versus the regular filter. I'm going to show the things that I thought it might be, but were not. And then if you've got any insight for me, things that you think it might be, or anything that you noticed that maybe I missed, I went through and did a lot of research trying to figure out if it might have been something with my camera, which I have discounted everything that it could have possibly been. There was a lot of other really strange footage that I got from the Stanley, which will be coming soon. Yeah, bring you back. Yeah, bring you back.
Yeah, bring you back.
But at first, I thought maybe something was on my lens, but I realized that if it were on my lens, it would stay in the same spot, or at least stay in frame while I was moving around, but it went off frame and it moved out of the one position into multiple positions. So, based on that, I concluded that it was not a raindrop or something on the lens. Next, I looked up lens flares, and that's where light hits the camera, but I move around and it doesn't always stay in the same spot and it doesn't go away. Here's some footage of different lens flares that I've captured while I was out and about. You can see that they flare up, and then when I turn and move, they go away. There's also something called ghosting, which is kind of a filmy, dusty looking effect that will happen on the footage, which has happened in these images as well, and you can see some other lens flares. But as I said, when I turn and move to a different angle, they go away. Now I'm going to turn off the music, the background music, and just let you see the raw footage, just regular, no filters, and then again with the black and white on it in case you're able to see something that I missed. Thanks so much for watching. Here, bring your bag. Where's your bag? My bag? Oh, okay. Both.
Oh.
There's a step down here. You want to go through this way or you want to go around to the front?
What's the difference?
Oh, looking at the front.
Not the front? Well, I didn't expect this to be front. From the flags.
Oh, they do have a little maze here. Okay.
Was there a maze?
Yeah, here. That's the maze.
Yeah, shrubbery.
The shrubbery.
Is
It's
it
getting
really?
taller.
Is it really there?
Spooky. Spooky. It's taller than it was in the video, so. Here, bring your bag. Where's your bag?
My bag?
Oh, okay. Both.
Oh.
There's a step down here. You want to go through this way or you want to go around to the front?
What's the difference?
Oh, looking at the front.
Not the front? Well, I didn't expect this to be front. From the flags.
Oh, they do have a little maze here. Okay.
Was there a maze?
Yeah, here. That's the maze.
Yeah, shrubbery.
The shrubbery.
Is
It's
it
getting
really?
taller.
Is it really there?
Spooky. It's taller than it was in the video, so. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoy videos like these, go down there and hit the subscribe button, leave a like and a comment, and I appreciate you watching. Thanks for being here. Bye.